Hello, my name is Brett with Anvil Music and Media. Today we're going to talk about how to record in iMovie your voiceover. In other words, this is your voice that goes against B-roll shots of whatever video you may have just recorded. This is a relatively easy process, so I want to get you in and out. So whenever you're ready, go ahead and drop the video into iMovie. Position the cursor where you would like to start recording. Once you've done that, you're going to go to the right-hand side of your screen. You're going to click on the little microphone towards the middle. Click that mic, and then it's going to show you a record button. You're going to press on this record button once you're ready to record. Once you have pressed that button, it's going to give you a countdown of a 3, 2, 1, and then you can proceed to record your voiceover. What you'll notice as while you are recording, the cursor will be moving along with the new recording of your voice. And when you're finished, you can either just press spacebar or stop. And then once you've done that, you can listen back and adjust accordingly if you're too silent or too loud.